Hi everyone. Today I wanted to share with you these mini loaded pockets that I made. This is the first time I've really kind of done these type of pockets. I was inspired by a YouTuber who goes by the name of Septeria18. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. She did a really cute tutorial and she made mini pockets from journaling cards. I think she had 4x6 journaling cards, which I didn't have, but I just used my 6x6 paper, and what I did with them was the papers that I had just had the pattern on one side, so I glued two papers together, and that way I had the design on both sides. And then I cut the strip in the front. I think it was about I can't remember now. I think it was about three inches or 3.5 inches that I made the pocket here, and six inches across. And yeah, and then I just put some cute things inside. Mini pockets, you can pretty much load them with whatever embellishments you have, little things that you've made, things that people can craft with if you want to give it away. So I'll go ahead and show you what I've gotten in the pockets that I created. So this first one, well, the pattern I used on the back was this pretty gold and pink and mint green stripe for the backing. And then I like this, it's kind of a mint green with gold diamond pattern on there on the front, so I used that. On the back, it was a pink sheet and it said happy and bright on there. And so I used that for the backing. I just embellished the front with some cute little heart bling and pretty things, it says there. And then I'll show you what I put inside the front here. First I just made a little card with some hearts that I printed out digitally and put them on some scrapbook paper and cut them out so they can use that. I have a chipboard tag here that I just added some pretty lace trim to the top there. I put in another little gift tag that I made that says hello, and it's got a coffee cup on there, just some pretty embellishments, and they can use that. I put a little stack of 3x3 scrapbook papers in here, just some different varieties that they can use in their scrapbooking, and the word sweet was just held with a paper clip on there. This little tiny envelope that I made with my envelope punch board. These are so cute. And I just put some cute little embellishments in there, a little heart and a little fringed heart that I had made. So those are cute. So they'll get all those things in there. And then on the back, I put another little envelope that I had made, added some words that says hello gorgeous and some cute little embellishments on there. And then I just filled the pocket with a few different things that they could use. This little heart, another heart that I digitally printed and cut out. It says C'est la vie, lashes make everything better, and just a few more little ephemera pieces there. And this is another tag that a picture that I had taken and then made it into a gift tag, so they can add some ribbon or something to that and use that for one of their gifts. So there, that's the first pocket. So I'll move that aside. And then I did this one, a little different papers on here. It's still the same collection. I think it's called Uptown Chic. And it's got the mint green with white and pink stripes on the back there. And then that same pattern of mint with the gold diamond design on the front. Just blinged it up a little. The back on this one, I made a little envelope here and just added some embellishments over here. So I may as well show you the back in this envelope. I just put some more little embellishments here, and excuse me, and a little grouping of 3x3 scrapbook papers that they can use. It's kind of fun. Just stuck it down with a glue dot there. And then in the front, I put in here, let's see how this wants to come out, a gift tag, a chipboard gift tag, and I added some netting on there and some ribbon, a flower that I made. It says Dreamy, and some more little netting on there so they can use that. I made these cute little bows, and then I just packaged them up and added a few little pretty sequins in there. And yeah, that's something else someone can use. Another little gift tag with little Paris and hearts on there, a little Eiffel Tower, and this teeny little envelope that I made, black and white polka dots. And then inside I've just got some little flower shapes that I punched out, some circles, some different colors. So that's fun. Another little envelope that I made here. And this one I just put some word sayings and things like that in there. All you need is love, laugh, different ones. So that's kind of fun. Another little tag that I made. It says blessed and grateful, and there's a blue heart on there, and they can use that in their crafting. And then, yeah, the back, like I showed, just the embellishments on there. But I thought they turned out pretty nice. And yeah, so I wanted to share that with you. And I was definitely inspired by Septeria18, who showed these on her channel. And so I hope this inspires you and you want to give them a try and make some for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.